Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make a custom cat memorial out of pine. Since I started this business a little over 6 years ago now, I've been doing memorials for humans and pets pretty much on a monthly basis. This is the first time I actually do one out of pine, and I think it comes out really nice. Now this is all laser engraved, which means that the contrast that you see is actually charcoal. So that the advantage of that is nothing will peel, crack, or fade over time, because charcoal just doesn't really affect or react with anything out there. Now the other thing to keep in mind, because it's laser engraved, it takes quite a long process to laser engrave it, and I ended up actually doing 3 passes over the whole thing just to get the contrast I was looking for. So the first pass, generally what you do is you break the surface of it. The second pass, what you do is create a little bit of a relief to it. And then the third pass, you go over it again, and that time you create like just massive black charcoal everywhere. In this case with pine, you don't really get black, you get a dark brown. And you can see close up, you can still follow all of the wood grain going all the way through. And the nice thing about laser engraving is, of course, you have the nice laser burned edges, which gives you additional contrast. So after laser engraving this, the next step is just to sand the entire surface of it. Now the reason why I do the sanding is because all that smoke and resin and other stuff that's in the wood comes up and lays back down on it. Now for this project specifically, I didn't put a masking over it, and the main reason for that is because there's so many little details. The masking ends up being more of a headache than anything else. And just with the sander, you can pretty much clean up the image really, really well. Now up close, it looks pretty good. As you can see, there's a lot of detail in here, but it's a little bit hard to see because of the grain of the wood. But at a distance, your eye puts everything together and it just looks amazing. So if you're looking for a custom memorial for your cat, your dog, your turtle, even humans, we can make them out of stainless steel, we can make them out of 3/4 inch pine, we can make them out of literally any material, any shape, any size that you can come up with. So contact me at CNCRI.com and we'll ship it right to your door.